Rewordify is a really incredible website. It is a powerful free online software that improves reading, learning, and teaching. The site can intelligently simplify difficult English for faster comprehension. This site effectively teaches words for building a better vocabulary and can help teachers save time while producing engaging lessons. How does it do this? Let's have a look. So this is the homepage of rewordify.com, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up the New York Times. I'm just going to do a search and go to New York Times. Now I'm just going to choose any random article. Um, Hurricane Maria makes landfall in Puerto Rico. So the New York Times, if you're not aware, is written for at least like a minimum 8th grade reading level. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy these two paragraphs and I'm going to go back to Rewordify and I'm going to paste them. I'm going to hit Rewordify text. And what it does is that it looks at the text and it looks for those tier 3 words, the difficult words, and tries to level them down to something more understandable. So in this case, we see cutting electricity and phone lines, sending thousands of people into shelters, and raising the chances. That's not what it said originally. Before it said raising the prospect. Now, we also have another word here. The storm was bringing new extreme unhappiness and extreme pain. Previously, it was misery. So these are tier 3 words that might be difficult to understand, but Rewordify brings it down to a different level that makes it easier. You can also press the audio button to
misery,
listen to it.
misery,
And we can look at the statistics. So if I go to stats, you can see the different Lexile levels using different calculation methods. The word count, sentence count, average length of the sentences, syllable count, and some really interesting um, statistics here. As you scroll down, it just has different ways that you can use this data to better help you learn. But I'm going to go back up and I'm going to go to share. In this case, I can, if I were logged in, I can share documents to make it so that I can send it to someone. I can save vocabulary lists. I can make it public so anybody can find it. So if you're a teacher, you can rewordify something and then send people that students that link to access it. Um, if I go to print learning activities, I can actually turn the text that I entered into a word bank for a quiz or a matching sheet or all these different options right here. Very easy to just click on it and then press print. If we go to parts of speech, it actually identifies each part of speech in the writing. So you'll see Hurricane Maria as a noun, made, which is a verb, landfall on Puerto Rico as, and each of these different pieces are identified and you can highlight or unhighlight each piece. So it's a really convenient way to learn parts of speech to better improve your grammar. Up at top, there's classic literature, so you can actually access like the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. If I go to chapter 1, you'll see that it's rewordified um, the book already. So there's a lot of features here in Rewordify. I suggest that you go to the website and see what it can offer for you.